Welcome to my YouTube channel Lesson Classroom. So in this video we are going to discuss about stable marriage problem using Gall-Shapley algorithm. So what is stable marriage problem? Let us see the introduction. Stable marriage problem is otherwise known as stable matching problem. So what is stable matching? It is nothing but creating one-to-one mapping from two sets which consist equal number of elements. For example, if you take two sets, set A and set B, they have equal number of elements. That is why we say equally sized sets. The ultimate aim of this stable matching problem is to create unique number of pairs. That is mapping one element in set A with the other element in set B. So there should be no repetition of pairing. There should be only unique pairs. So this is the objective of this problem. So where do we use this kind of pairing problems in real world scenarios? So this can be used in different examples, such as students choosing their future universities. Suppose students put application to many universities, he can study only in one university. So how to pair the students with educational institutions? So in this real world scenario, stable matching is used. The other scenario is man and woman seeking each other to create families. Suppose a man wants to get married with a woman. This kind of pairing using stable matching can be done. The third example is mapping the users, those who use internet services. So these are the three examples of stable matching in real world scenario. So assume we have two sets, as I told you, A and B. They are equally sized. So A contains 5 elements and B contains 5 elements. So we have to create n number of pairs by mapping one element in B with other element in A. So likewise we can create 5 pairs. Since we have 5 elements, we can create 5 pairs. So the algorithm consists of 3 important steps. The first 2 steps involves initialization. So what are the initialization steps? The first step is initially all men and women are free. This is the first initialization. So in the examination, the students will be given 2 sets of elements. They have to create the unique pairs. So they can solve the problem using Gall-Shapley algorithm. The first step is all men and women are free. Second step is, while there are free men, select one. So obviously the set A, that is men, will start proposing to the woman in set B. So the men always propose. This is the initialization step. The proposal can be done by men only in this algorithm. If W is free, W is a woman, men proposes, and if W is free, then she accepts. If she is already engaged with some other men, she declines or she rejects the current proposal. If the current proposal is better than the previous proposal, she can also accept. So these are the 3 conditions used in Gall-Shapley algorithm. If stable matching is done, if we get a unique pairs, then the algorithm stops. So as I told you, these are the initialization steps. All the individuals have earned ranking. So what is ranking? The students will be given in the examination 2 sets of elements which are nothing but their preferences, that is the choices for men and women. men can choose any woman, and similarly women can choose any men. So this is nothing but the choice. So based on the preferences or choice, the students first should make a ranking matrix. I will tell you what is ranking matrix in the next slide. The second step is one of the two sets is chosen to make proposal. So obviously men set is proposing. Third step is iteration starts. So one individual from proposing group who is not already engaged will propose to their most preferable option or choice who has not already rejected them. Suppose a man is proposing to a woman, the woman should not be engaged previously, then only she can accept. So the women can do the three options, or she can do three things. The first one, accept if she is not engaged previously, reject if she is already engaged, and accepts if the current option or choice is better than the previous option. So if all the pairs are obtained, the algorithm terminates. So this is the simple and the iterative algorithm, which is called the Gall-Shapley algorithm, to get unique pairs using stable matching. Thank you for watching. I will tell you the solved example in the next slide.